Good morning, students of class 10th. I welcome you all to this new class of social science, wherein we are revising chapter number 1, resources and development of geography. Children, by now we have completed again in the revision classes, which is classification and then types. Then, children, in the next part of the chapter, we have sustainable development, wherein I have explained earlier also that development should be in such a place that it is not harming the future generation needs. That is called sustainable development. After that, the very important topic in this chapter is resource planning, wherein resource planning is a technique of or a skill of proper utilization of resources. We plan something. Similarly, how to plan the utilization of resources is, in simple words, resource planning. Then, children, in planning about resources, there are several stages, and those stages are identification of resources, planning for exploitation, then matching resources developmental plans, isn't it? So these are the stages. Then, children, there is importance of resource planning. We need to see that is it important to plan a resource. Of course, yes, there is lot of importance, because we need to have a balanced development. Not just any particular state should develop in developmental of stage of the resources, and the other states should be backward. So we have to see whether the all the states, all the places of our country are properly exploited in terms of developmental stages of resources, children. Then, children, resource conservation, we all know, in order planned use of resources in order to meet the needs in present time and to store them for future is known as conservation of resources. Then we have seen in the chapter Gandhiji's idea. Then when there is conservation, there is land degradation also, children. So I am attaching, last time, children, the slide was having some technical problem, wherein I will attach the complete presentation in which the chapter is given in a nutshell form. You need to go through the slides and everything is covered in this. So I will attach it in this class. I am sorry for the inconvenience which was caused earlier, but this time I will make sure that I am attaching the PowerPoint presentation, children. Then after land conservation and land degradation, children, we will see soil as a resource. Children, in this we will see that what is soil? The uppermost layer of the earth's crust, which is loose, broken, useful for plants, is known as soil. Then, children, we will see the characteristics of soil, and then obviously what factors lead to the formation of soil. Number 1 important factor, climate. Number 2, topography. Number 3, nature of the parent rock. And number 4, vegetation. Then, children, in the chapter next we have types of soil, wherein you need to learn the specific characteristics of the types of soil, which I am attaching in the presentation as well, children. After that, children, types of soil, we have different types of soil and their characteristics. When we have soil, we have to have soil erosion. Then, children, what is soil erosion? Removal of topsoil from one place to another through natural agents is called soil erosion. Then we will have, children, different types of soil erosion: gully erosion, sheet erosion, and then, children, we have conservation measures, how we will conserve the soil. Then we have contour plowing, then we have terrace farming, strip cropping, shelter belts. Then, children, these areas will be covered in the chapter and it will be done. So, children, I would like to request you all, please go through the slide, read the chapter. If you have any doubt, you may ask me through my personal WhatsApp number. Even if you want any other doubts, you may call and ask. You are free to ask 100 times, but for that you need to study well, children. Then another important thing, you people have got the syllabus by now, in which geography chapter 1, resources and development, children, economics chapter 1 and 2, wherein it is just development, and chapter 2 is sectors of Indian economy. In the next class, children, I will be revising economics chapter 1. So with this, we come to an end to the revision of chapter 1 in geography. But I am going to attach the PowerPoint presentation in this class wherein all your doubts are clear. You need to go through these slides and you will comprehend all the topics in one go. Alright, so you need to learn, you need to see whether you have missed any question. Pallavi ma'am has given the questions and answers, even I have given the questions and answers, which you people have to write it in your copies, because you all know copies will be assessed, and for 10th it has to be very important and neatly done. So see you all in the next revision class. Till then, take care and please prepare well for your examinations. Bye bye and take care.